So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find a star map for a specific night sky. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and you can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. And here you have to search for this website. You can see the URL and be very careful with this URL, which is stellarium-web.org. Just simply go to this website and let's just wait for it to respond once it gets open. All you need to do is just simply let's just wait for it to respond first. And here you can see just simply mark your location, and you're gonna find the how actual sky will look like from your location. Because of the pollution you may not be able to see it with the bare eyes, but yes, you can do this with this website. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.